course, another one of those goddamn things.
No swearing, though.
Fuck. I just swore. So right now I'm trying to build... I keep on hiccuping. Sorry about that. If you guys, this is gonna be a funny video. Oh, sorry about that again. Excuse me. Excuse me, pardon me. Damn it.
We're in his room this time.
Yeah. Damn it. Oh yeah, I'm uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Slow motion videos of hiccuping. Ah.
We're doing a Formula 1 car this time.
Damn it. Am I building this wrong?
Your chassis is right here.
Just wait! Tell me to do this first. Fucking whore. I can't fucking do it. What's so funny, Caleb? Is this a big comparison? It is. What's so fucking funny?
The sound of it.
Okay, and there's nothing funny about hiccups.
It is. There is.
And it also hurts too.
No shit.
Damn it, motherfucker. Damn it. Shitbox.
What the hell?
Shitbox 7. The fuck am I doing wrong on this piece of shit? Okay, fine, let's start all over again. Shut up! Motherfucker.
Don't worry, this is going on YouTube and Snapchat
You're such a bitch.
and TikTok.
You're a bitch.
Well, at least TikTok and YouTube.
You're a bitch. I'm trying to keep him quiet. Son of a bitch.
You sound like an alligator.
Ah, that hurt. Damn it. Son of a bitch. You goddamn son of a bitch. Fuck.
Sorry for the language, guys. His hiccups aren't.
Fuck my hiccups. Okay, go ahead and sort pieces for me. Okay, that looks right there. Fuck. Fuck.
Fuck.
Damn it. Wait, I'm gonna wait for... God damn it, you son of a bitch. Compare this so I know that's red. Oh! What the fuck are you laughing at? Shut up! What's so funny about it? I'm serious, what's so fucking funny about Hiccup'S? That? It's so funny,
Oh. I think I should put this on AFV.
Oh, fuck you. Kiss my ass. What is so fucking funny?
But I wouldn't be able to because you're swearing so much.
Stop.
I can't help it.
Well, you need to fucking help it. Because you are not helping at all. Shut up. Fuck. It seems now it's starting to become the size that we need. Because besides my fucking Hiccup'S fucking bothering me, I'm alright. Fuck. I wish these things would just fucking stop. So I can concentrate on my work. But no, I can't. Because of you know who. Who invented Hiccup'S? Like, seriously. That's right, no one did. Stupid thing. Crazy woman.